Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some presets to give away again. One is a set of switches that I made, 8 of them. We'll get to that in a moment. I also made some preset animations. They'll both be in the description below. You just drop them on any transparent image and it'll be animated. They'll be in effects. After you download it, look for SDS Switch Animator Pack. And the switches will be SDS Switch Pack. I'll give you a quick rundown on one of these. Click on it and go to Effects. And here's the switches that I'm giving away. They're built in these packs, but the switches are separate. But I use them in here to demonstrate what they'll do. I only made it because the switch that comes with Resolve does not work with effects. It always breaks the line on me. Every time I make a macro, it never works. I have no issues in titles. Works fine. But in effects, it doesn't work. So I went ahead and made these 3, a 4, 6, and an 8. I'm not going to show you all these animations. Just a few. Now to change it, you want to turn the first one off. Or the prior one. Then turn the next one on. Or whichever one you want. And with it being an effect going on a transparent image, whatever your image is what's going to show. And again, turn the previous one off and whatever one you want on. And all the controls, operate all of them. Center X, Y, size, rotation, flip horizontal, flip vertical. And the 4 and the 6 has easing. The last one don't. I use a spline window on that one. And they all have drop shadows. Now here's the 6. All the same controls. And here is just a PNG image of whatever this thing is. Just bring it over, drop it on. This one is the 8 octave switch, I called it. The 6 is a hex switch. And the 4 is a quad switch. Again, you have all your switching. This one has reverse. And I'll reverse it here. And you get the same controls. Now I'll show you the switches. And we'll go to Fusion. If you go to Fusion and double click on it, it'll open up. Here's my switch. And all the transforms is where the animation comes from. I'll put the control upstream. That way it works great there. If you put it downstream, sometimes you can have issues. And I did on these ones. And I put a resize node in just to make sure it resizes automatically. Okay, once you get the switches, by the way, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. And again, once you download the switches on Windows, click on the search menu down here, and then select the Windows button and R, and then type in C:\program data. Hit OK. And go to Blackmagic Design, DaVinci Resolve, Fusion, down to macros, and drop the switches setting files right in here. And if you want to delete them, you can do that as well. And then restart Resolve. And then after you do that, search for them as usual, shift space, and type in SDS switch. I decided to make more than 3. I made a total of 8. So I renamed these all SDS switch 01 and so on right up to 08. And all you gotta do is plug what you're gonna plug into it. You got your media out, connect it, and you'll have a switch. And you can put them right in the macros like I did. Here's the 4, 6, and 8. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.